and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Union Minister inspects Jal Jeevan Mission projects in Mount Keruan. Meghalaya CM promises relief for truck owners amid quarrying ban. Hardships of Mount Kendrau residents to be addressed soon. And KHADC Enforcement Police crack down on unlicensed shops in Khanapara. And now the news in detail. On August 22nd, Dr. Ray Bhushan Chaudhary, Union Minister of State and head of the Jal Jeevan Mission, visited several villages in Maukrwat, Southwest Khasi Hills district to review the implementation of the JJM scheme. His tour included inspections at Pot Umtungko, Pot Tangjem, Pendenspar and the Miyawaki project. In Mauten, he evaluated the Greater Maukrwat Water Supply Scheme's water tank, among other facilities. Following the inspections, Dr. Chaudhary held a meeting with Deputy Commissioner B. Maulong and various district officers who presented reports on the scheme's progress. Dr. Chaudhary emphasized that his visit aimed to assess and compare the implementation of public development schemes across different districts and to encourage timely execution. He affirmed that the visit was part of a broader effort to oversee development projects across India.
वो मेघालय में डेवलपमेंट के डिफरेंट पैरामीटर्स में स्टेट का क्या कंडीशन है एट लेवल ऑफ इंडिया के अदर स्टेट्स के कंपैरिजन में क्या डेवलपमेंट का लेवल है, इसको एसेस करने के लिए हम लोग आए और हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र भाई मोदी का एक विज़न है कि डोनियर स्टेट्स जो है उनका डेवलपमेंट पर बहुत ख़ास ध्यान है और इसलिए ईच 15 डेज़ पर कोई ना कोई मिनिस्टर आते हैं यहाँ के डेवलपमेंटल वर्क को एसेस करने के लिए और इसी कड़ी में हम आए हैं आज और यहाँ के डिफरेंट जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हमारे सेंट्रल स्पॉन्सर्ड जो स्कीम्स हैं, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं, उस प्रोजेक्ट्स को एसेस करने हम आए हैं कि यहाँ पर क्या डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है और उसमें डिफरेंट पैरामीटर जैसे हेल्थ एंड न्यूट्रिशन के लेवल पर नॉट ओनली जल शक्ति के, क्योंकि MOS जल शक्ति हैं तो जल शक्ति के लेवल पर ही नहीं बल्कि अदर पैरामीटर अदर मिनिस्ट्री के लेवल पर भी क्या डेवलपमेंट का वर्क हो रहा है यहाँ, उसको हम लोग एसेस करते हैं और PMO को सबमिट करते हैं.
On August 22nd, leaders from the local Truck Owners Association in Meghalaya met with the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to discuss the Forest Department's recent ban on stone and sand quarrying in East Khasi Hills district. President Ejanstar Kurkalang reported that the meeting was productive with the Chief Minister, assuring that the ban would be lifted with stringent regulations to safeguard the environment, rivers and roads. Additionally, the Chief Minister confirmed that transport challenges would no longer be required for vehicles transporting stone and sand within villages or districts, though they will be necessary for interstate transport. The ban, imposed last month by the Forest Department, had sparked a backlash from local stakeholders, including miners, truck owners and drivers. The association emerged to advocate for the interests of these groups, aiming to balance environmental concerns with economic needs.
Shafi ki 5 बात But kam tame isya ki porlog gi jungi ki bade gi try kali ki nunya kali local truck ki pikit mau kit siam hagnega nong ba ka jungi but kumju ya ki porlog gi jungi ki bodon ni ka parmau parsiap hagnega thani is kasil but ki we de ka banta jong ka chala nakapor syakapor kene ka jingi khun kebangi keren syak sarkar ban wara ya kata sistem baka cingti mau di siap haga jela ka jungi kumbak sukar ka terang banam kata ya kamarang ya kata ngila mejur bat ha ka jo kapor ka jing dawa par ka jungi ki barit khamtam ki bodok ki bodon ki cingtrei ki barit ki bomla banne ya kata kamaning dis bat ka kwari pamit maka cur ke jinglut kibun ki jinit ki jenat ki bam kot bor ya ki pajba ki bodok khamtam ki nong gondong ki boduna ka puli ka puthi bangi dawa pada nak sakar badai ban pat khatlang pada yakum kita ti hapdeng jong ni ke jing yakun ke jing le ke ba hadin ke jingwan jong ka forest department bat ki we de ki bor ban pensange ya ke jing ti mau di siap kalau long kum ke jing keni no ya kheuja nak long ying jong ki babun ki ba im ja da kan ka kam ha ka is ka sil ke jungi bat ha ki we de ke banta jong ka chela ki batre kabah kamdan kanu kecing kata ya kamarya kata kadeka jinga keren meneh te sakawe ngila ya keren ru ha ka badai bat kini ka rules ka badai bat kini kecing ai lane kecing isu jalan ha ka form h ka ba ngila ju keren borok si kata.
On August 22nd, Minister of Electricity Development A.T. Mondal, along with Bantedor Lyngdoh, MLA of Maukenro, and Electricity Department officials, inspected the Umtong substation. The visit was part of a project to upgrade the facility to a 33 kV power station aimed at alleviating power outages affecting Maukenro villages during the rainy season. A.T. Mondal assured that the substation would be operational soon, noting that only minor improvements were needed. Bantedor Lyngdoh expressed appreciation for the minister's initiative and the cooperation of local village authorities. Additionally, Mondal, who also oversees community and rural development, visited the newly constructed BDO office in Maukenro.
How are you? Hello, Tom. How are you? No. Hello. I have. Any problem you are facing other than the building? One way it is in better position because by this side Good. Almost everything Come to visit this substation. Rather, I am visiting almost all the substations which are being constructed in the country. So we will see that this substation is operational as early as possible. Work is almost completed. We need only final touches and the line to be through. So I am thankful to our colleague in assembly, Ba Paigan. He was telling me from first day onwards that why not we visit. So we make this program. Of course, we have set one day earlier, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, we have to cancel it. So today, though weather is very inclement, but we thought that we should go and visit the site, and we are here today.
On the 22nd of August 2024, under the leadership of Inspector in Charge F. Kharsintil, the Cage EDC Enforcement Police conducted a raid on shops in the Khanapara area. During the operation, all shops operating without a valid trading license were shut down. The Enforcement Police issued orders requiring these businesses to submit their licensing documents within 10 days. The crackdown aims to ensure compliance with legal trading requirements and maintain regulatory standards in the region.
आप लोग हमको सब समझा दीजिए डिटेल कहाँ जाके रेनू होगा क्या क्या करना होगा कितना पैसा लगेगा
हम करने वाला कितना
उसका बाद फिर जाता है ना का टेंशन रहता है
ऑफिस में आने होगा फीस पूरा दिया आप लोग इधर में सब ऐसा ना खाली ये मिल गया लाइसेंस टाइम में मिल hết lại là quanh lon ni vẫn lên một phát lại zaman जाओ जाओ तुम लोग जाओ जाओ अपना काम करो जाओ चलेगा हम लोग प्रोसीजर से चलेगा जैसा इसमें शोकॉस नोटिस देगा टाइम देगा 10 दिन फिर शोकॉस नोटिस में तब अप्लाई करो लाइसेंस तब ऐसा क्योंकि हम गुस्सा हुआ कल भी हम आया हम देखा तुम लोग पूरा का पूरा बन गया हम लोग को देख के इधर में हम लोग आया हम लोग को देख के बन गया इधर सब बन गया देखो अभी भी इधर सब बंद हो गया कि हम लोग मालूम हो गया हम लोग आया बन गया.
In the second match of the 5th Tirat Singh Memorial Football Tournament on August 22, 2024 at Dom Maulom Ground in Mairang, Sindroplang FC secured a narrow 2-1 victory over MLP FC. The match, marked by intense play, drew thousands of enthusiastic spectators who passionately supported their teams. The high-energy game left the crowd in awe. With this win, Sindroplang FC advances to the next stage of the tournament, while MLP FC exits the competition.
Jonka MLP football team, jersey color red. Balasuk Langnam Sik, jersey number 23. Nyoko Arkindia, jersey number 4.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. This is Moralisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.